Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. Have your dinner in a galaxy far, far away with these light up chopsticks from Saber Chops. I love how these LED lights are bright in the daytime or night. This set does come with 3 LR41 camera batteries. There is a button on the top to turn on and off, and you can continue to press the button to cycle through the different colors. And there is blue, green, yellow, red, purple, pink, orange, and a rainbow color, which is just cycling through all of the colors, which is really cool when it does that. I like to eat it with any kind of meal, but especially with my ramen. And you see in the dark, the lights are still so bright, and it makes dinner time so much fun and so cool. So these chopsticks are perfect for kids, and they're also fun for adults. So come to the yummy side with these super awesome chopsticks, and that's my point of view.